In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Vrchat avatars are not loading. Now first, if you can't see any avatars or anyone's avatars, there might be a couple of problems. If you see an avatar that looks like this, it's being blocked for some reason. First, you might have activated save mode and you have the avatar blocked, or avatars are being performance blocked. To show the avatar, you can open up your quick menu and select the user with the avatar you're trying to see, and select the eye icon under avatar display to see their avatar, or avatars are being filtered by content gating. You will see a gray padlock icon on the gray robot chest if this is the case. If you are seeing gray diamonds instead of people's avatars, you can use these steps in the avatar menu to turn off avatar calling. You can hide beyond, hide expect the nearest, and always show friends avatar. Make sure it's on. If you are seeing an error bar instead of loaded avatars, you might be facing connection issues or installation issues. You have to troubleshoot and access the VRChat troubleshoot site.